last year, spring term, I took Mr. Robertson's painting class, and I had already had a lot of experience painting, and he challenged me in a lot of ways compositionally and working with different colors and the combinations of those colors to create something that I would not have thought of creating before. The preliminary stage of the mural was talking to Mr. Ali about what social justice issue he wants to put into the mural. And I was, because I always had the impression that, art is like a solo project, art is a solo activity. And so just seeing Mr. Robertson made me think, oh, I could do that too in the future. Or even now, I've actually started to do that.
When we first started this program, he took us on a little tour of the field house. What we saw was on the walls where the mural is going to be installed right now, it's this, I think, like photography, kind of black and white idea of these athletes that were here decades ago. And it might have been like the peak of technology at the time with the camera work in different areas of fields and whatnot. But yeah, it does need a refresh, and I'm excited to see that now we're doing a piece where like ethnic groups are a really big focus, where we're rendering the skin in different ways with each person. I think that's a really interesting idea. It's bright, it's vibrant, it uses all the Lawrenceville colors. And yeah, I think it's probably going to be a more accurate representation of the school body today, which is really important because a lot of Lawrenceville has so much history and so much tradition, but it's important that we keep on renewing it to reflect the current student body as well.